Top 10. Best Benchmade Knives. Benchmadeis synonymous with balisongs, a type of folding knife popular in the Philippines. Number 5. Adonis 275 Knife, the Navy SEAL Foundation and to 3 Rangers. The 275 is a folding knife compatible with maille, and with a reversible tip-up pocket clip and a lanyard hole. The package also includes a cordura sheath available in black and sand colors. Little to no resistance. Tactical situations immediately. Its own malice clip and sheath. Number 4. Barrage 583 Knife, Axis Assist Feature. The barrage of orders for the Barrage 583 is proof that, indeed, it's an excellent EDC knife both for everyday use and tactical purposes. The right length and weight for stashing in the pocket of your jeans. Especially when making strong. An excellent opening mechanism. A play during and after its deployment. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Benchmade Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. North Fork 15031 Knife, for 6.97 when open and 3.90 when closed, so it can be placed inside a jeans pocket, a suit pocket, or a bag pocket. The size also means it's legal to carry in most states as an EDC knife. Rope with a few efficient strokes. It is also sharp out of the box. Used for survival and camping purposes. Number 2. 940 Knife, though it's easy to open with a flick of the thumb, while the reversible tip-up clip position makes it easy to carry. The knife measures 7.87 open and 4.47 closed, while its 3.40 blade has a 0.115 thickness. The blade is also very sharp. Meat and paper are both quick. Locks securely in place while in use. Number 1. Mini Griptilian 556 Knife. It has a total length of 6.78 and 3.87 when closed, so it easily fits into your jeans back pocket. Its 2.91 blade has most of its entire exposed edge already sharp out of the box. Aside from having better wear resistance. Exceptional for its petite size. Piercing because of its robust tip. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Benchmade Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.